Guys, welcome back to the channel. What I got here is a 3rd gen Ram. I'm going to show you how to remove the front bumper. Real easy on these. Once you have the hood open, there's actually 4 bolts, 19 millimeters. If you look at the brackets, the bolts are on this side, on the outer side. So there's 2 on this side, and obviously there's 2 on this side here. Again, they're 19 millimeter. Let's go ahead and remove those first.
Shot at them from the bottom. That's where you're going to need to be to remove them anyways. Here they are, 19 mil, 2 of them. This is the passenger side, and if we go on the driver's side here, here's the 2 bolts here. One is here, one is here. So we'll go ahead and remove those. Only other thing that needs to be undone, so if you have fog lights on the driver's side, this connector here needs to be removed, which is right on the driver's side of the bumper. I have all 4 bolts removed that's holding the bumper, and this is what's in here actually, guys. This goes through the bumper bracket and the frame, and that's what holds the bumper onto the frame. Now what Dodge has done is they're put in basically from the inside to the outside, so the nuts are actually on the outside. That'd be that way on the passenger side. Now the problem with that is the intercooler's in the way when you're trying to take this whole thing out of the frame itself. So what I ended up doing was removing the bolts holding the intercooler in the front. Now if you got a gas truck, obviously you won't have an intercooler, so you won't have a problem with that. But on a diesel, so I ended up removing this cover in front of the intercooler here on the passenger side, just some plastic pins holding it, and loosening up the turbo hoses that's going on both sides, on this side also, just to give the intercooler enough wiggle room so I can get this out. Otherwise it was interfering here with the intercooler and it wouldn't come out. So no, you don't have to remove the whole intercooler, just loosen it up enough so you can move it around to get these out. Okay, now at this point there's really nothing holding this bumper on, so we'll go ahead and remove it. Here it is. I pulled the whole bumper assembly off of the truck now. Now you can see where these were, so they go right through here and through the bumper bracket. So the problem I was having, since they're put in this way, the intercooler was in the way, but loosening it up gave me enough wiggle room to get these out without removing the intercooler itself. Same thing on the other side.